In my own words, may I declare that the quasar or quasi-stellar object is indeed the most luminous and brightest cosmic lantern known in our universe. That is, insofar as we know. It has an active galaxy nucleus, AGN, as it were. These then form into either quasars, blazars, or Seyfert galaxies, the engine of which are hypermassive black holes that accrete unusually high levels of radiation on the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from narrow microwaves to radio waves, infrared, visual, ultraviolet, shortwave, X-rays, and gamma rays. Even so, for billions of light years in the distance, such are discerned by the naked eye and via telescope as a faraway star, although indistinguishable from an ordinary star, as the case may be. The word quasar originates from the Latin terminology for quasi-stellar, that is interpreted as star-like. Almost an entire sun every day is devoured by these enormous cannibals of energy. Most of our galaxies nowadays are sleeping giants of what once was, or must have been billions of years ago. There are several scientific models for how quasars are ignited, primarily by perhaps extreme, off-the-scale gravitational pressures of plasma and energy squeezed with the joining of multiple galaxies into one cosmic colossus. The brightest quasar known is 3C273, located in the constellation Virgo. It has an absolute magnitude of around -26.7, making it one of the most luminous objects in the universe. But 3C273 is notable for its high redshift of approximately 0.158, and is about 2.5 billion light-years away from Earth. The features of 3C273 are as follows. The luminosity thereof emits around 100 times more light than an entire galaxy. The variability of it suggests that its brightness can change significantly over ephemeral stretches of time to imply that it is relatively compact, as it were. The jet emission factor, therefrom, exhibits stupendously puissant and prodigious prominence of subatomic particles and energetic ejecta moving at nearly the speed of light. Moreover, 3C273 was the very first quasar to be identified, contributing tremendously to our scientific understanding of such a fascinating celestial powerhouse. An ever-cosmic companion to the large lamps on display throughout this immaculatorium channel. Apropos of the aforesaid, by contrast, the quasar beacon built up in the 400 wattage to 1000 wattage range may mirror models of our Sun, a star, or galaxy, or even the quasar at large. Overall appropriated. With this video diorama at hand, I invite you to keep looking up. You just might not know next time if it will be a faint star, or a quasar that may cross your line of vision when stargazing at night, whether by naked eye, binocular, or by telescope. And thank you for watching.